Hello, David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Just came in 2021 230 Sunliner by Harris. This boat has the onyx color with the blue accent. It's powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke fuel injected. Has the stainless steel tow bar, 12-foot bimini top, stainless steel boarding ladder on the starboard side. You can see it has the center walk-through. This boat also has the convenience package. One of the benefits of the convenience package is the tieless fenders on the, you can see I have the fenders out on the starboard side, the port side. There's no reason to tie knots. They just clip into these little holders. Hello, David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong once again. We're on a brand new 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner. This boat just came in. Set up with a center walk-through design. Of course, Harris traditional styling. We have hinge seats, lots of storage. Harris added charge ports on every cup holder on this particular model. It's got a new helm we'll go over in just a minute. We have a change house over here on the port side. Of course, port side access. We have a 12-foot bimini up above my head. Boat's powered with a 150 Mercury fuel-injected 4-stroke engine. We have our ski tow bar, our 4-ring stainless steel boarding ladder in the back. We have our high back chair, tilt steering wheel. This boat has the convenience package, so it has the upgraded table, a movable cup holder that moves around the boat, upgraded steering wheel, tiltable. We have the interior lighting package, our small glove box underneath. This boat also has a wireless charging system for your cell phone. Nice new pocket system up here. All your cell phone and keys stay right there. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. My name is David Lewis. Thank you.